Hi there! Welcome to Restore Truths channel. I am Maria, your shoutcaster, your echoer, and fellow learner to Restore Truths. In the last episode, we talked about some of the 3 basic truth qualities that are precious to us, obvious, and can be easily learned. Now, how do we continue to learn about truth? Truth can be likened to the cleanest, clearest, freshest, and purest drinking water that will quench our thirst, our innermost needs, and soulful longings. Truth looks for and settles where it will maintain and sustain its purest qualities. As we discussed, we as human beings can be biased, confused, and darkened by our insecurities and fears. But we can learn to be neutral, to be clear, and recognize the whole vast world in order to contain truth. Like the right pristine vessel to contain the thirst-quenching water, we can be the vessel for the truth. The right vessel is cleaned, prepared for, and checked to be intact in order to contain the drinking water. If the vessel is dirty, the drinking water will be contaminated and not suitable for quenching our thirst and nourishing our health. If the vessel is small to contain the amount of water to hold, then it may spill the needed amount to quench the thirst. If the vessel is made so large for the small amount of water that it needs to contain, then the time and effort made for that huge vessel have been wasted. The large space of that vessel crowds other vessels which needed to be increased in sizes. If the vessel has a chip or crack, the drinking water may just drip, spill, or burst from the pressure of the amount of water that it needs to hold. The vessel may even deliver the chipped off tiny shards of glass that may hurt and cause injury instead of relieving the thirst. As a result, the spilled water that is like truth may escape, may be misplaced, or misunderstood, and worst, rejected. We have different vessels in us that we are making, cleaning, and preparing to hold the truth that we need to quench our thirst in different areas of our lives. What are these areas? What are these vessels that we need to create and shape into a certain form that we need to clean and prepare to receive the truth lessons? Let us not waste the truth needed for each of the vessel in us. Let us not contaminate truth by our negligence to clean the vessel that will receive the truth. Let us devote the time and effort needed to put forth in making the right vessel to be able to hold the amount of truth needed in an area in our lives. What vessels have you tried so far? Are they the right size for the right amount? Or is there a need to enlarge or reduce the size of the vessel? What vessels need cleaning? Which vessels need to be replaced with the intact and right kind of vessel that can hold the needed, powerful, thirst-quenching, clear, refreshing truth? Check each vessel and let us do the needed cleaning, preparation, and formation of the right type of vessel to hold the cleanest, clearest, purest, and freshest truth in our lives. Restore the vessels that will receive the truth and restore truths. See you on our next learning. Let us restore truths.